Welcome to this full review of the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 camper truck. Today we're diving deep into what makes this vehicle one of the most exciting and versatile choices for travelers, campers and utility-focused drivers alike. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, long cross-country road trips, or even full-time van life, this truck is built to serve from the moment you see it. The Savana 3500 commands attention. The front end has been updated with a bolder, more modern grille and a streamlined bumper design. Its LED headlamps give it a sharp look, while also offering improved nighttime visibility with reinforced steel panels and a more aerodynamic body. It's built to handle the demands of travel while reducing wind resistance, just enough to improve fuel economy around the side. The large sliding door is built for accessibility. The step-in height is noticeably lower than previous models, making it easier to get in and out, especially when you're loading up gear or helping someone elderly or with mobility challenges. The rear doors swing wide open, revealing a spacious cargo area, or in the camper version, a cozy living space that feels surprisingly expansive for a truck-based camper. As you step inside, you're met with a functional yet welcoming interior up front. The driver's area is thoughtfully laid out. GMC has added a new 10.2-in touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation is seamless, and the touchscreen is highly responsive. Physical knobs for volume and climate controls remain, which we love. There's just something about tactile feedback that touchscreen-only systems can't replace. The front seats are plush, supportive, and designed for long hauls. They come in either durable cloth or upgraded leather, depending on the trim you choose, and in the camper version. The cabin has been sound-insulated to reduce engine noise and road sound, giving you a much quieter driving experience. Behind the front cabin lies the heart of this vehicle, the camper conversion. This space is smartly designed. There's a compact, but fully functional kitchenette with a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner stove, and a mini fridge. The cabinetry is modular, offering excellent storage for cookware, food, and supplies. You'll also find multiple USB ports and AC outlets powered by an integrated battery system that charges as you drive or via shore power when parked. The sleeping area is surprisingly comfortable. The main bed folds out from a bench seat and accommodates 2 adults easily. GMC has partnered with third-party upfitters to offer options like pop-top roofs for standing room solar panels and even wet baths. Though the standard model is more basic, windows are strategically placed for cross-ventilation, and blackout curtains come pre-installed for privacy and light control. Powering this beast is your choice of engines. The standard is a 6.6L V8 gasoline engine that delivers 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque. This engine is all about dependable power and is capable of towing up to 10,000 lb. If fuel efficiency is more your concern, there's also an available 3.0L Duramax Turbo diesel engine that gives you around 20 meters per gallon in the city and up to 24 on the highway. Impressive numbers for a vehicle of this size and weight, whether you're navigating highways, mountain roads, or dirt trails to your favorite campsite. The Savana 3500 handles it with ease. It's not a sports car, of course, but the steering is responsive, and the suspension has been tuned for comfort, even over uneven surfaces. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the available all-wheel drive system adds a layer of confidence in poor weather or off-road situations. GMC has not ignored safety either. The Savana 3500 comes with standard safety tech, including electronic stability control, rear view, camera, tire pressure monitoring, and airbags throughout the cabin. Advanced safety options include lane departure warning, forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features provide peace of mind, whether you're on a solo adventure or traveling. With family, fuel economy will vary depending on your configuration and how heavily you load the camper, but on average you can expect around 14 to 19 m per gallon with the gas engine and 20 to 24 with the diesel. Not exactly hybrid numbers, but respectable, given what this truck offers in size, capability, and onboard amenities. Driving the Savana 3500 feels stable and grounded. It absorbs bumps well and gives you good road feedback. Visibility from the driver's seat. is excellent, aided by large mirrors and available blind spot cameras. It's not a small vehicle, but maneuvering in parking lots or tight campsites is surprisingly easy, thanks to optional parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system when it comes to long distances. Travel comfort is key. GMC has gone out of its way to make this truck feel more livable. The camper area includes LED lighting and integrated HVAC system to regulate interior temperatures, and even an optional composting toilet water storage tanks. Are well concealed and include both fresh and gray water systems easy to fill and drain as needed. One of the most appealing aspects of this vehicle is how customizable it is. GMC offers several packages that let you tailor the camper experience. Whether you want a mobile office on wheels, a family-friendly weekender, or a rugged overlanding rig, upfitter-ready configurations allow you to build out your own layout, and aftermarket support is strong with companies offering everything from rooftop tents to interior wood paneling kits. This truck also supports remote diagnostics and over-the-air updates, so your software and firmware stay current without needing a dealership visit. You can also use GMC's mobile app to check fuel levels, battery status lock and unlock the doors, and even activate the climate control before you step inside in terms of value. The 2026 GMC Savana 3500 camper truck starts at a base price that's competitive with other full-size camper vans, especially considering its robust towing capabilities, advanced safety features, and camper-ready options when fully outfitted. The price climbs, but remains in line with similarly equipped Sprinters or Transits. What you get for your money is a more rugged, truck-based camper that can take on harsher environments and heavier loads. Owners will appreciate the peace of mind that comes from GMC's 3-year 3,600-meter limited warranty, and the 5-year 6,000-meter powertrain warranty service is widely available through GMC's nationwide dealer network, which is a plus for travelers venturing far from home. So who is this vehicle for? It's for the couple who wants to explore the country, one national park at a time. It's for the solo adventurer who needs a mobile base camp. It's for the tradesperson who needs a work van by day and a camper by night. It's for anyone who wants capability, comfort, and the freedom to roam without being tethered to hotels or RV hookups. As more people embrace remote work and flexible living, vehicles like the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 camper truck offer an exciting alternative to traditional housing and travel. It's not just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle. Thank you for watching this full review. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile camper truck that blends utility with comfort, the GMC Savana 3500 deserves a serious look. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and road-tested insights.